Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Rizky Firmansyah. I'm student at UIN Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung in English Education Department, and my student number is 12420400102. And today I wanna tell you my experience with Meta AI. I learned with Meta AI about paragraph writings, especially about narrative paragraph, expository paragraph, uh, descriptive paragraph, compound and complex sentence. Let me share my screen.
As you can see here, this is the Meta AI platform that I accessed through WhatsApp. So this is my interaction history with Meta AI. I asked Meta AI several questions about paragraph writing, especially about narrative paragraph, expository paragraph, descriptive paragraph, compound and complex sentence. For example, this is I asked Meta I want to learn paragraph writing as an undergraduate English department student. Can you tell me about good paragraph? And Meta this is a response of Meta AI. Meta AI explain about good paragraph. A good paragraph typically consists of topic sentence, supporting sentence, linking words and phrase, and then coherence. After that, I asked an example, and Meta I give me example of narrative paragraph. This is, as you can see, the benefits of reading literature are numerous. The topic sentence clearly states the main idea. Supporting sentence provides specific benefit and examples. Tensional phrase, for one, additionally, and the paragraph flows logically and is easy to follow. And after I learned about good paragraph, I asked Meta AI about narrative paragraph, and Meta AI explained about narrative paragraph. As you can see, this is the explanation about narrative paragraph. A narrative paragraph tells a story or recounts an event. It typically has clear sequence. Events are in chronological order, vivid details, and emotional connection. My main purpose in using Meta AI was to understand how to organize a well-structured paragraph, especially focusing and I learned about narrative paragraph, expository, descriptive paragraph, and compound and complex sentence. Uh, some prompts I used when interacting with Meta AI were: what is the meaning of creating a mood at atmosphere? And give me an example of narrative paragraph. And now I want to learn about expository paragraph. Please explain. Give me an example of expository. And meta I provided clear and helpful responses. It gave me an example of paragraph with explanations about which part was the topic sentence, uh, which part was supporting sentence, and how the paragraph was concluded properly. And but I e- explain about narrative paragraph, expository, descriptive, compound, and complex sentence. And meta I give me an example of them. From this experience, I learned that a good paragraph must, in the topic sentence, supporting sentence, should provide fact, explanation, or example related to the topic sentence. And in this experience, I learned about narrative paragraph that the narrative paragraph should be clear sequence, provide details, emotional connection, and I also learned about expository paragraph. An expository paragraph is a type of writing that aims to explain, describe, or inform the reader about a specific topic. Its purpose is to provide information, fact, and details to help the reader understand the subject. And then I also learned about a descriptive paragraph. Descriptive paragraph is a type of writing that uses vivid and sensory details to describe a person's place, object, or experience. And descriptive paragraph can be used to describe a person, place, or object, create a mood or atmosphere, create a memory or experience. And this is a meta I give you an example. And then I learn about compound sentence. Compound sentence is sentence that contains two or more independent clauses. This is an example. I like reading books and my sisters likes watching movies. And I asked to I asked to Meta I explain why the example you gave can be called a compound sentence. Uh, this is a response of Meta I. I like reading books and my sister likes watching movies. This is a compound sentence because the first it contains two independent clauses. The first the first independent clause is I like reading books, and the second is my sisters like watching movies. Each clause has a subject, I and my sisters, and a verb like and likes. And the second reason is the two clauses are joined by a coordinating conjunction and. So after that, I asked roommate, I want to learn complex sentence type, explain. And this is a response of meta I. A complex sentence is a sentence that contains one independent clauses and then one or more dependent clauses or subordinate clauses. The dependent clause is cannot stand alone as a complete sentence. and begins with subordinating conjunctions. For example, because and although, if, uh, for example, I went to bed early because I was tired. Independent clause. I went to bed early. That is independent clause. And because I was tired, it is a dependent clause. Dependent clause provides additional information about the main clause, showing cause and effect relationship. Uh, some common subordinating conjunction in complex sentence. Because, although, if, since, unless, until. And after that, I asked Meta AI to provide multiple choice format to check my understand. Uh, and this is response of Meta AI. Meta AI give me the multiple choice, five multiple choice. So, and I asked Meta AI provide first question that I can answer, then analyze my response. This is first question. The sentence is, I love playing soccer. What type of sentence is this? My answer is A. And this is a correct answer because this sentence is only one independent clause and a single subject, I and verb love. Okay, the second question is, I wanted to go to the beach, but it was raining. I answer C, and this is a wrong answer. Why? Because the sentence has two independent clauses. The first clause is I wanted to go the beach, and the second clause is it was raining. And the second reason is joined by a coordinating conjunction, but. And then this is a third question. The sentence is when I got home, I started cooking dinner. What type of sentence is this? I answer B, and this is a response of meta I. The sentence when I got home, I started cooking dinner is actually a complex sentence. Why? Because it has one independent clause and and one dependent clause. B is a wrong answer. The correct is C. And then the next question is I love reading books and my favorite author is J.K. Rowling. J.K. Rowling. What type of sentence is this? I answer B, and this is a correct answer because the sentence has two independent clauses. I love reading books and my favorite author is J.K. Rowling. And the second reason is joined by a coordinating conjunction and. Uh, in the future, I plan to continue using Meta AI to practice writing different type of paragraph, such I believe that Meta can be a very useful tool to help me practice, receive feedback, and improve my writing skills faster. That's all for my presentation today. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.